Gates open, they're up and racing. Snake me, spaghetti draws for your lead. Gold roller is by the rail. Hard power is sneaking in down on the inside. Is Senor Elijah in between runners. Dream Maker, then followed over by Sunday Street Reclamador Head Honcho, and running second last Lord Gold, while Presidentiable is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Is Snake Me, is Spaghetti in command. Dream Maker moving up in between runners, and sneaking in down on the inside is the favorite Senor Elijah. Hard power is on the outside. Head Honcho out wide as they turn for home. Senor Elijah, the top favorite, in command by about 2 lengths. Dream Maker is in second, moving up on the outside is Gold Ruler. With the last 150 more to run, Senor Elijah. Gold Hard Power now moving up to grab the lead. It's now Hard Power and finally Hard Power. Senor Elijah close with Head Honcho and Lord Gold.